Quick installation method is the fastest way to connect your WHMCS with MetricsCube. A simple PHP script will download MetricsCube connector, install, and configure it for you, so the process is easy and convenient. Now, please note, however, that this method may not always work, as not every server allows PHP scripts to manage the file structure. Therefore, if you find any problems during the installation, please go back to Step 2 of the wizard and choose the Standard Installation method. The first step is to download the MetricsCube connector installer by clicking the button above this video. Then, please open the FTP client and log into the server where your WHMCS is installed. Open the main catalog of your WHMCS and upload the MetricsCube.php file. Once it's there, open your browser, type in your WHMCS client area URL, and at the end, please add MetricsCube.php. You'll now see the MetricsCube connector installer page. The installation itself shouldn't take longer than a few seconds. If everything went well, you'll see a success message. That's it! You've successfully installed the MetricsCube connector module. All you need to do now is log in to your WHMCS admin area. In the add-ons list, click on the MetricsCube connector. As you can see, the module has been successfully installed and activated. The final step is simply to click on the Synchronize button. Great! You'll be automatically forwarded to the last stage of the wizard as soon as MetricsCube receives information about the initiated synchronization.